put the thing and then you finish the thing.
What's the thing, Mom?
Put that on and you say, that's it. Okay, wait, let me take it off. Peach jam.
Just hit the cover. Hi, everybody. For today's episode, we're going to have my mom, Rosalia, she's back in the kitchen with us, a couple of different peach recipes because it is Ontario peach season now. In order to give you some inspiration, we've got a couple family recipes that my mom does. We're going to cover making a simple peach jam. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
So now we're gonna make the peach jam. So this is from Ontario, Giancarlo. We're just gonna cut the peach. Make sure they're not too hard, just softer. There's two ways that I do. The easy way, faster way, or the longer way, so it doesn't matter. Want me to fast way or the short or the long way?
I want you to do it the way you would do it.
Okay.
If you were making it, how would you do it?
Okay. It comes good anyway. I cut all the peaches. I'm gonna put it in a pot and I'm gonna cook it for a little bit. I'm gonna mash it up. I'm just gonna do it with a fork so it comes nice and thick. Fork with anything to make it kind of look like this. You let it cook a little bit and then we're gonna measure it. This is like a confitura. Confitura, it's like jam, but it's got the pieces. Jam, it's thin. If you don't even rush, you can just wait until it's a little cooler. I'm gonna measure how much fruit I have.
1,700 grams.
1,700. The rule is every 1 kilo,
Yep.
800 grams of sugar.
You need 1.36 kilos of sugar.
You wanna say it in Canadian or in?
1,300 grams. 1,360 grams. So I did the math.
Okay, good. At least somebody's good in
I
math.
did the math.
That's it. That's okay.
Okay.
All good.
Small amount of sugar.
You sure? That's a lot of sugar, Giancarlo. I just put sugar and the fruit, and then I put it in the pan and cook it. Want to sterilize the jars? Because we want the jars to be warm, and then we'll put the jam in. You make sure you dry them all, the top.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? You jarring? I really like this funnel thing. No mess. That's the way?
That's the way. My son is making jam.
I'm not making anything. I'm just putting it in a jar.
Yeah, I know. See, look how thick it's getting. And it's still warm. I know my stuff. Now, what I usually do, I cut this, what do you call it? Parchment paper, and I cut them in round.
Cognac.
It's alcohol. Any alcohol will do. And you go like so, all around. Does it look pretty, eh?
Looks good.
Sure everything is dry.
When's it ready to be eaten?
2, 3 days, 4 days.
Look at you, Mom.
You gotta cover it though,
And
with a cloth. When it's cold, you put it away. It's all done, my jam. Did you see it? Peach jam.
just hit a cover.
Bye.